trying to show the difference between the reality and the reality created by memories. That's why when you broke up with your girlfriend, you remind her all the perfect situation and not the bad things.
Yes, you only have beautiful memories, but this is not the real. And for that, the movie is come to the future and back to the past. It's like that.
It's like life.
Yes, it's like life.
I hope those terrible things didn't happen to you when your girlfriend left. Okay. Okay, Suresh? Well, you're wiser now. Okay, Suresh, just tell us something about your casting, because even though I helped with it, I know many people worked on it. It's unusual. Please tell us.
Well, Uma was, of course, our main casting director, and all those wonderful actors is in large part due to her. And like Prashant mentioned that this is the first time that Rinpoche used professional actors, because his first two films have just newcomers, non-actors, so the casting was very important. And Rinpoche, reminded me a lot the way he cast. I mean, maybe it's not a proper comparison, but I don't mean to say that they're identical, but the kind of meticulousness and the passion and the care that I saw with Satyajit Ray and Richard Attenborough when they were casting. Rinpoche has the same kind of meticulousness. Even for a one-line role, he would see, at least three, four actors, And when you see the film, I don't know how many of you have seen the film. The next screening of the film is at 6 p.m. in the Anjali Theatre on the 11th. So if you can catch it, I can assure you it'll be a worthwhile experience for you. And when you see the film, then you will see how effective the casting is. Because films of this nature, if they're not cast in a credible way, if the actors do not give you the sense of being the role that they are playing, then you have a alienation between the viewer and the performer. And so Uma can give you a little bit more about how she went about, what was her brief. I would like to know what Rinpoche told her, because Rinpoche must have briefed her as to what he wants to see.
I can't remember very much, but because it was some time ago and it was very fast. But I know that Rinpoche wanted character actors. The lead is by Shahana Goswami, who I consider the finest actress now in Bombay. She couldn't come, she's busy, luckily. She had to know Bharatanatyam dance. She had to know dancing. Her real dance is Kathak, but Odissi. So she was able to take training in Bharatanatyam, and she's a good dancer. Then he wanted a very vivacious, young, free-spirited person. You'll see her, she's wonderful in the film. All the other people, I think, are not known actors, but very carefully selected for their regional qualities, for the way they match the role in a very rustic village situation. So it's a film that I feel very privileged to have been associated with. Whatever I've done with Suresh has been the best in my career. I worked with him on Shatranj Ke Khiladi, and to work with a master like Satyajit Ray, actors like Sanjeev Kumar, Amjad Ali Khan, Shabana Azmi, who else? Richard Attenborough, Victor Banerjee. They were all newcomers at that time. Not the big stars, but the other stars. It was an unforgettable experience, like this one. And your film, you must see it. It will change your outlook on your first girlfriend, your first boyfriend, and what it does to you in life. It's a very interesting film. You can meet them now after, and thank you so much for being here. Thank you.